Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm going to guide you through each step of the installation process. In a few short steps, you and your family are going to be enjoying your new American Standard shower base.
Remember to take your time, take a break, or re-watch a step whenever you need to. If you need additional information, you can always refer to americanstandard.com or call our customer service line. Before we begin, I like to make sure I have everything that I will need, organized and within reach. I find this helps make the install as smooth as possible. At this point, you can remove all contents from the package and lay them on a flat surface nearby. You'll want to double check that all required pieces are included. Gather all the required tools and keep them in your work area.
Okay, so with our prep work complete, it looks like we're ready to start. If possible, this shower base is easier to install with 2 people. First, locate the wall studs required for your shower base. Use your square and level to ensure each rough-in dimension is plumb and level. I like to recommend making an additional opening for access to drain components. Simply refer to the rough-in dimensions included with your shower base. As multiple sizes are available, be sure to refer to the information that corresponds to the size of base you are installing. If you're installing the optional built-in wall shelving system, you'll need to provide additional studding and support where needed. You can refer to the instruction included with that product now. If you're installing the optional Aspirations Shower Door, you need to provide additional 2x4 support. Now it's time to install the drain. Use the manufacturer's instructions to complete this step, and remember to refer to the rough-in drawings for suggested drain opening size and location dimensions. With the drain installed, we can move on to the base. Place the shower base in the studded alcove. You'll need to check that the base is level both from front to back and from side to side. If needed, you can add shims to ensure the base is perfectly level. As I mentioned earlier, if you are installing the Aspirations bath door, you'll need to ensure additional wooden 2x4 support. Plus, remember to keep the threshold of the tub a ½ inch from the leading edge of stud number 1. Now, we need to support the bottom of the shower base. I cannot stress this enough. It's critical that the entire bottom of the base be supported. Sand isn't appropriate for this application, and I recommend only using mortar as a bedding material. Be sure to apply enough mortar to support the entire bottom of the base. Add mortar in scoops on the subfloor at suggested locations for the specific size of the base you're installing. Make sure to use thinner amounts of mortar around the drain area and thicker amounts toward the rear of the 60-inch shower base or the sides of the 48-inch shower base. Also, to avoid offsetting the level of the base, do not apply mortar under the leveling strips. After the bedding has been poured and before it sets, work quickly to position the base within the alcove. Check that the base is level both from front to back and from side to side. Just a few more things to consider before we're done. The shower base should not be supported by the base flange, so use the plastic clips provided to secure the base to the studs. After you attach the plastic clips, you'll need to check again that the base is level. It's also important to note that any finishing material such as tile or wallboard must be self-supporting if it contacts the deck of the base. Flooring will butt against the bottom of the base flange, which helps to hold the base in place. Now, let the bedding material completely harden before applying weight to the rim or bottom of the base. And finally, place the drain cover over the installed drain. Okay, so now your installation is complete. Just a little cleanup, and then you're ready to enjoy the everyday beauty and function of your new American Standard shower base. And remember, if you have any questions or you need additional information, you can always visit americanstandard.com or call our customer service line.